Beginning of the year, I told myself I won't purchase any new clothes because I plan to wear all my old clothes again but different styles. I realized a lot of them looked smaller on my body. I didn't want to give it out either cause they are my favorite. Hey guys, welcome to another fashion content. If you are new here, I am Miss Okran. Do not forget to subscribe if you are enjoying this video. So today I'll be showing you guys how I recreated these old clothes. Let's start with this black dress. My Christian life this year was at its peak. I was moved towards more modest and elegant outfits. Let's look at this dress for instance. A lot of my skin was being exposed, my back and my thighs. It felt a bit uncomfortable to wear. I decided to make provisions for the exposed skin by wearing this white top inside. This plain white top, it has an extension which can be used as a bow tie. Now the dress looks more presentable than before. You can even wear it out on the lunch date with the girls. I prefer to wear a trouser to cover my thighs, but if you have a skirt or a short, you can try it with that. Actually, I wanted it to look more elegant, like something I can send it out to a church and wear more direct representation ongoing. The next to recreate is this turquoise green trousers. This deviates from the norm because the trouser was rather big. If I say big, yes, the waist did not even fit me. I hardly wore it, but when I bought this belt, I have become a lover of these trousers because the belt is very thick and is able to hold my waist very well. And there is a feeling in wearing an outfit and your waist is snatching very well. It just gives a whole different look to the dress that you are wearing. And now these trousers, I wore them casually, officially, whether with a long white shirt or a short white shirt like what I'm wearing right now. To style it casually, I decided to wear this short jeans jacket. It looks a bit crazy, but all the same, modesty is the rule. So we're actually going to make sure that nothing is being exposed. I wore the turtle jacket on the white top so that at least certain parts of my body that should be shown because of the crazy style is being covered. And guys, I just love the color combo. Do you know that the trousers is different? The trouser color is different from the jeans. The trouser color is turquoise green, but the jeans is actually blue. But it's just giving a blend that I am so in love with it. I don't know, what also do you think about it? The last but not the least is this black dress. It's actually a fitted dress. It has some plain lines within it and it's more like it's an off shoulder but the hands are still there. So this dress I mostly wear it alone with nothing else. But now it fits my body to the extent that even as flat as my tummy is, it is being shown as if I have a big tummy. And I think that is not an elegant outfit. I do not say this by degrading people who have big tummy. No. I am just saying that to wear an outfit that is really going to show your bigger size, especially your tummy, there is no need. It has to be covered so that it just looks more nicer on you. So what I decided with this dress is I can pair it with a skirt, make it look more of a top and a skirt. So here is the skirt. The skirt has some circles in it and it's a black dress. And what I love about this skirt is that it has some pleated lines and I don't know, that is what gives the beauty of the skirt. I presume if that was not there, I wouldn't have seen the beauty in the skirt. So yeah, I am wearing the skirt to see how it is going to look like. After that, I think we all are seeing what I am also seeing. Apart from it elongating the outfit, it has also added another expensive feature to it. It has given a flare dress. Wow, it's really good to be recreating a lot of your old clothes than throwing them out because of what? No reason. And the next outfit I decided to add to the black dress was this kimono African print that I have. I'm like, because it's fitting my body too much, I can wear something that is free over it so that all other part that I think they are too very sensitive will be covered. The nicest thing about this kimono was if you want to make it a straight dress, you just close the button and that was all. Guys, if you have been able to watch up to this part, I don't know what you're waiting for that you have not subscribed. Kindly subscribe. See you all next week. Bye.